Welcome, here I've got LG Wing and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features, and here we have tag locations option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off or turn it on by another tab as we need. And this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. By tapping on it, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. To check its location, we have to just simply slide a little bit down. And as you can see here, we have access to more details with the location, the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.